Let's try to understand lecture 235, the maximum shear on a given section for rolling loads. Suppose we are having a span AB, that is the span of your beam, and there are some rolling load W1, W2, W3, W4, W5 like this. So the shear diagram will be, if you see, then if your for case 1, when the condition that is load W1 is over at a distance of A, and the distance between W2 W3B and W3 W4D C and W4 W5 is D. So in the first case, if you put your W2 just right of the C, just right of C, then you will find this W1 is multiplied by minus WY1, and W2 will be multiplied by your Y2, because this portion is not coming, only Y2 which is just right of this thing. So this is WY2 plus W3Y3 and so on. This is case 1. This is SC1 when the load W2 is 8 just right of C. Now we change the position. If you change the position, then shifting of load, the dy dx is 1 by L. If you shift by B, suppose you shift by B, then WYB is equal to 1 by L, so dy is equal to BI L. So there will be increment of B by L in each ordinate. So here in SC2 is equal to W1 minus Y1 plus B by L, W2 minus M is in the roll, B by L, because W3 we have taken W3 B by L, and so on. So you can look it, and if you simplify it, you will find minus WY1, W2 M, and so on. So if you simplify like this, you will find this equals to this W1 Y1 W2 M plus W3 Y2, something like that. So SC1 will be less only if W2 Y2, that is common. So this W2 Y2 is less than the minus M W2 plus B by L summation of all the loads. So in other way we can take it in this direction, and W2 Y2 plus M, M plus Y2 is equal to unit. So this will be W2 by B is less than summation of W by L. So in all cases, whatever be cases, if shifting is there, whether it is W upon A must be less than summation of all the W divided by L. Yeah, you can say if you take W2 by B, this will be less than the summation W by L. Only then we can have the maximum shear force. So for this condition, you try to visualize it, and we will take some example to illustrate you in a better way. So thank you for being with me. Thank you very much.